Hello. Today I post the first videos is how to set up the wireless XBee Arduinos. What I'm trying to do here is called a doorbell applications. So what it does is like from the first Arduino Unos is has the connection to XBee, the first XBee, which is also connected to a press button here, if you can see it. And also a second Arduino is the Arduino 2560 Mega, which actually connect to the second XBee here, and then also is hooked up with the passive buzzers. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna show you how to run the Doorbell application. So I'm gonna place a button here. So you can see is the sound of how the sound output the melodies to the second Arduinos, and then they send it to data to the buzzers. And also at the same time is when the Unos is connected to the first XBee is they send a message out called rings. This is received to this by the second XBee, and then the Mega Arduino will detect this. Oh, this is a message from the first XBee. Then they will sound output to the buzzers. This is how it works. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.